In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download FTMO MT5. We'll walk through the safest ways to get MetaTrader 5 specifically configured for FTMO, so you avoid common setup issues. MT5 is the trading platform you'll use to place and manage trades, and FTMO requires a version that points to their servers. Getting it from the right place is important to prevent connection errors and to make sure everything works as expected. The first and most straightforward method is to download MT5 directly from the official FTMO platform's page on their website. Once you're on that page, scroll until you see MetaTrader 5. You'll be asked to choose your device, and you can pick Windows for desktop, Mac for desktop, or mobile if you're on Android or iOS. Select your device, click Download, and then install the file that's provided. On Windows, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. On Mac, open the downloaded app and confirm any security prompts so the installation can complete. If you choose mobile, the FTMO page will guide you to the correct store listing so you can install it like any other app. This route is recommended because it keeps you on the official FTMO path from start to finish. If you already have an FTMO profile, such as a free trial or a challenge, there's an even better way to make sure you get the exact match for your account. Log into your FTMO client area. From there, go to Accounts Overview or Login Credentials, find the MT5 account you'll be using, and click Download Platform. This pulls the installer that corresponds to your account setup, which helps ensure the correct FTMO server is selected by default. It's a small detail that saves time and reduces configuration mistakes. A quick but important note that trips up a lot of people. Not every MT5 app will work with FTMO out of the box. If you download MT5 from another broker or a random website, you might open it and not see FTMO servers listed, which means you won't be able to connect your FTMO account. To fix this, either download FTMO's MT5 directly using one of the methods I just showed, or inside MT5, when you're adding a broker server, use the search field and type FTMO to load their servers. That's it. Stick to the official FTMO platform's page or your client area download, and you'll avoid the most common setup issues. If a server doesn't appear, search for FTMO inside MT5. With that done, your platform is correctly installed and ready for your FTMO trading.